The TC-710 Recycling Baler. This little baler delivers 45,000 pounds of crushing force. Standing only 4 feet tall, the TC-710 Recycling Baler reduces 150 pounds of the most challenging aluminum cans or PET bottles and 140 pounds of HDPE material to a dense 20 by 20 by 36 inch bale. Equipped with a standard oil cooler and 5-inch cylinder, the power choices include a 10 horsepower electric motor or 18 horsepower gas engine. This mobile unit conveniently fits into a truck or trailer bed, which can be used curbside or permanently installed in-plant. The in-plant unit can be mounted on casters. The TC-710 Recycling Baler provides flexibility for processing waste materials on-site or en route. Convenient and practical, the TC-710 Recycling Baler reduces labor costs and material handling by preparing the bales and allowing you to continue baling while removing the completed bale. Getting more material in each load also reduces transportation costs. The TC-710 Recycling Baler reduces the amount of space needed for recyclable material. The TC-710 comes standard with a 5-inch cylinder and an oil cooler and delivers 45,160 pounds of crushing force. It reduces 150 pounds of aluminum cans and PET bottles to a 20 by 20 by 36 inch bale in under 7 minutes. 140 pounds of HDPE in less than 20 minutes. Standing only 4 feet high, the convenient opening in the top of the TC-710 provides easy loading while the finished bale is removed from the bottom compartment. The optional drip pan is ideal for catching liquid runoff. The TC-710 is easily set up for a 10 horsepower 220-volt 3-phase in-plant operation or an 18 horsepower gasoline engine.